Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the My File Manager and granting storage permission so the app can list recordings. Once done, navigate to internal storage and tap the search icon. Type record, voice, or file extensions like M4A or MP3 to surface results quickly. Make sure to also check the voice recorder folder and DSIM because some systems save in app-specific paths. If you don't see anything immediately, enable Show Hidden Files in Settings to reveal items stored in hidden folders. Next, open the built-in Recorder app. This often indexes recordings better than the file manager. Once there, check Recent first, then All Recordings and the trash or deleted items if you lost something. Make sure to check Cloud Backups. Xiaomi Cloud or Google Drive may have auto-synced your audio. Open their apps and search by file name or date. When you see likely files, long press to preview, share, or copy the path so you can locate them in the File Manager for export. Finally, if recordings remain missing, connect your Redmi to a computer in file transfer mode and scan folders directly. This reveals files some apps hide. If you suspect deletion, stop saving new data and consider reputable recovery apps, because continued use can overwrite recoverable audio. Also inspect app-specific folders like Recorder, MIUI/Sound Recorder, or WhatsApp/Media if shared. Once you locate files, export to cloud or computer. Troubleshooting tip: if playback fails, try renaming the extension to M4A or Open with VLC to verify file integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.